Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll tell you about how to transfer money from Greenlight to your cash app. It's very simple thing to do. Greenlight is a debit card and money app designed for families, allowing parents to manage and monitor their children's spending, set up allowances and codes, and financial literacy. So, how you can transfer money from Greenlight to cash app? Uh, you can directly transfer money from Greenlight to Cash App. You need to first transfer the funds from your Greenlight account to your bank account, and then from your bank account to your Cash App account. First, after sending your Greenlight money to bank account, then open your Cash App and log into your account. Then select Add Cash from here. Then after select cash section, tap add money or add funds. Then select bank account. Then choose your bank account and enter the amount you want to transfer and follow the on-screen instructions. And that's it. That's how you can transfer money from Greenlight to your cash app.